Assalamualaikum, marhaban. Have you ever wanted to learn Arabic but didn't know where to start? You are in the right place. Today, we will explore Ghurfatul Juluus, Arabic for living room. When you finish this video, you will know the Arabic names of everyday items in your living room. You will even be able to use them in simple conversations. Does that sound good? Let's go! We will start by learning some essential masculine singular nouns you would find in a living room. Then, we will put these skills into practice with some fun conversation exercises. Finally, we will briefly review the main points to ensure you understand them. Are you ready to learn Arabic words and phrases? Let's get started. First up, the heart of our topic, the living room itself. In Arabic, we say Ghurfatul Juluus, living room. Next, something we all love on a hot day. This is mukayyifun, great for keeping the Ghurfatul Julus cool. Mukayyifun, air conditioner. What is soft under your feet? A carpet. In Arabic, that is bisatun. Does your living room have bisatun? Bisatun, carpet. Where do you put your books or decorations? In a raffun, in a shelf. Raffun, shelf. The living room surrounded by this. It is ha'itun. Ha'itun, wall. If your living room has stairs leading up and down, that is a sullamun, staircase. Sullamun, staircase. How do you enter the living room? Through the babun, door. Babun, door. To light up the room, you need a misbahun, lamp. Misbahun, lamp. Time for some entertainment with the tilfazun, TV. Tilfazun, TV. And for some news, we have the midyaun, radio. Midyaun, radio. You have just learned 10 new Arabic words. Good job. How many do you remember? Leave a comment below. Now, let's look at how to use these in a conversation. Imagine a son asking his father about things in the living room. Let's listen in. Ya abi, ma hadha? This means, oh my father, what is this? Notice, hada means this for masculine singular objects. You have learned it in the previous lesson from Durusul Lughah book Volume 1 Lesson 1. I recommend you restudy the previous video lesson. The father answered, Hada misbahun. This is a lamp. Wama hada? And what is this? Hada midyaun. This is a radio. Now a question. Ahada tilfazun? That hamzah at the start turns this is a TV into a yes-no question. So, أهذا تلفاز means, is this a TV? And the father confirms, نعم هذا تلفاز. نعم means yes. So, نعم هذا تلفاز means yes, this is a TV. أهذا رف? Is this a shelf? This time, the father said, لا هذا مكيف. لا means no. So, the meaning is no, this is an AC. Fantastic! You have just seen how these words are used in simple question and answers. Try asking these questions about items in your own living room. Show me that you understand by writing them in the comment section. ملخص recap. Alright, let's quickly recap the amazing words we learned today. Say them with me. مصباح lamp. مكيف air conditioner. تلفاز TV. بساط carpet. رف shelf. مذياع radio. حائط wall. سلم staircase. باب door. And that is a wrap on our living room vocabulary. MashaAllah, well done! You have learned so much today. The key is practice, so try to use these words whenever you can. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us out. What other Arabic words do you want to learn? Or perhaps another room in the house? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next video. Ma'assalama. Wassalamu alaikum.